Hello everyone, welcome back to the Coffee and English channel. I am Sam.
And I am James. Welcome to a very special correction video.
Today, James is going to be a bad student.
Hey, I am usually a good student, but today I am going to make many mistakes on purpose.
That is right. James will say sentences that sound correct to many learners, but are actually wrong.
And Sam is going to fix them. She will explain the rule so you never make that mistake again.
Making mistakes is normal. It is how we learn, but fixing them is how we get fluent.
In this 1-hour video, we will correct 50 common English mistakes.
Are you ready to test your grammar? Let's begin with the most famous mistake of all. Part 2, be versus have.
Okay, Sam, let me introduce myself. Mistake number 1. Hello, my name is James and I have 30 years.
Stop, that is incorrect.
But in Spanish and French, we say, I have years.
I know, but in English, we use the verb to be for age. You are not holding the years in your hand. You are that age.
So I should say,
I am 30 years old, or just I am 30.
okay, I am 30. Good. Mistake number 2. Can we eat lunch? I have hunger.
No, again, do not use have. Hunger is an adjective in English, not a noun you possess.
So I should say,
I am hungry.
and if I need water,
You say, I am thirsty, not I have thirst.
okay, I am hungry, I am thirsty. Mistake number 3. Please close the window. I have cold.
Incorrect. Cold is a feeling, an adjective.
Correct sentence, I am cold or I am hot.
Exactly. If you say, I have a cold, it means you are sick with a virus.
Oh, that is a big difference. Mistake number 4. I am sad. I have afraid of spiders.
No, you do not have fear.
Correct sentence, I am afraid of spiders.
Correct. Or, I am scared of spiders. Always use am, is, are.
Mistake number 5. Look at that accident. I have right and he has wrong.
No. In English, you are correct or incorrect.
Correct sentence, I am right and he is wrong.
Perfect. So, rule number 1. For feelings and age, use to be, not have.
Part 3. Common verb errors.
Let's move on to verbs. These are mistakes I hear every day.
Mistake number 6. Do you like this movie? Yes, I am agree.
Stop. Agree is a verb. It is an action. You do not need am.
So I should say,
Just say, I agree.
and the negative, I am not agree.
No, I disagree or I do not agree.
Okay, mistake number 7. Where is the bus? I am waiting you.
Incorrect. You cannot wait someone. You must use a preposition.
Correct sentence, I am waiting for you.
Always wait for. I wait for the bus. I wait for the doctor.
Mistake number 9. Teacher, please listen me.
No, this is the same rule. You need a preposition.
Correct sentence, please listen to me.
Always listen to. I listen to music. Listen to your heart.
Mistake number 10. I need help. I will ask to my father.
No, in this case, we do not use a preposition.
Really? But we say speak to and listen to.
I know, English is tricky, but for ask, we just say the person.
Correct sentence, I will ask my father.
Correct. Ask him, ask her, ask the teacher. No to.
Mistake number 11. I need to contact him. I will call to him.
Incorrect. Same rule as ask. No preposition.
Correct sentence. I will call him.
Yes. Call me. Call the police. Never call to.
Mistake number 12. Where are you going? I am going to home.
No. Home is a special word. We do not use to with home.
Correct sentence. I am going home.
Yes. But if it is a specific building, we use to. I am going to the bank. I am going to the house. But always, I am going home.
Part 4. Nouns and plurals.
Now let's look at nouns. English has countable and uncountable nouns. This causes many errors.
Mistake number 13. Look at all those peoples in the park.
Stop. People is already plural. One person, two people.
Correct sentence. Look at all those people.
Never put an S on people.
Mistake number 14. Your hairs are very beautiful.
No. In English, the hair on your head is singular and uncountable. It is a mass.
Correct sentence. Your hair is very beautiful.
Yes. If you say hairs, it means you found 3 separate hairs in your soup. Yuck.
Mistake number 15. Can you give me an advice?
Incorrect. Advice is uncountable. You cannot have an advice.
So I should say,
Can you give me some advice? Or can you give me a piece of advice?
mistake number 16. I have many informations about the project.
No. Information is always singular. Never add an S.
Correct sentence. I have a lot of information.
Correct. Some information, much information, but never informations.
Mistake number 17. The news are bad today.
This looks correct because news ends in S, but it is actually singular.
Really? So I use is?
Yes, correct sentence. The news is bad today.
That is confusing.
I know. Think of the news as one program.
Mistake number 18. The police is coming.
No, police looks singular, but it is always plural. It refers to the group of officers.
Correct sentence. The police are coming.
Part 5. Prepositions. Prepositions are the hardest part of English. In, on, at, with, to. Let's fix the big ones.
Mistake number 19. My brother is married with a doctor.
No, this is a classic false friend from other languages. You do not marry with someone.
Correct sentence. My brother is married to a doctor.
Always married to. But we do say he went on a date with her.
Mistake number 20. Are we going to the beach? It depends of the weather.
Incorrect. We never say depends of.
Correct sentence. It depends on the weather.
Always depends on.
Mistake number 21. I am very good in tennis.
No, when you talk about skills, we use at.
Correct sentence. I am good at tennis.
Also, bad at cooking, amazing at singing.
Mistake number 22. I am thinking to buy a new car.
Incorrect structure. After think, if we use a verb, we usually use of plus ing.
Correct sentence. I am thinking of buying a new car.
Or, I am thinking about buying a new car.
Mistake number 24. I look forward to see you.
This is advanced. Look forward to is a special phrase. It must be followed by a noun or ing.
Correct sentence. I look forward to seeing you.
Yes, I look forward to the party or I look forward to going. Correct sentence, I arrived in London.
But I arrived at the airport.
Mistake number 25.
I have been here since 3 years.
No, since is for a starting point. For is for a duration.
Correct sentence. I have been here for 3 years.
Or, I have been here since 2020. Welcome back. Now we are going to look at word order. This is very difficult because every language puts words in a different place.
Mistake number 26. I like very much pizza.
Stop. This is the most common mistake for European students. You cannot put very much between the verb and the object.
So I should say,
I like pizza very much, or I really like pizza.
put very much at the end. Okay.
Yes, I love very much you is wrong. I love you very much is correct.
Mistake number 27. I have also a car.
Incorrect position. Also usually goes before the main verb.
Correct sentence. I also have a car.
Mistake number 28. Is ready my breakfast? No. In English questions, the subject must come after the auxiliary verb, but before the adjective in this structure. But simpler, the subject is my breakfast.
Correct sentence. Is my breakfast ready?
Yes, never say, is ready the car. Say, is the car ready?
Mistake number 29. I have enough money not to buy this.
Incorrect negative placement.
Correct sentence. I do not have enough money.
Mistake number 30. I drink 2 coffees. This is technically okay in casual speech, but coffee is uncountable.
Better sentence. I drank 2 cups of coffee.
Part 7. Confusing verbs.
Let's look at more verbs that people confuse.
Mistake number 31.
I did a mistake.
No, we learned this in the other video. Mistake always goes with make.
Correct sentence. I made a mistake.
Mistake number 32. I lost the bus. No, unless you are the bus driver and you cannot find your bus. If you didn't catch it, use miss.
Correct sentence. I missed the bus.
Mistake number 33. Can you borrow me your pen? No, you borrow from someone. You lend to someone. If you want my pen, you want me to lend it.
Correct sentence. Can you lend me your pen?
Or, can I borrow your pen?
Mistake number 34. I know him for 5 years.
Incorrect tense. If you met him in the past and you still know him now, use present perfect.
Correct sentence. I have known him for 5 years.
Mistake number 35. Please close the light. No, you close a door, you close a window. But for electricity, we use turn off.
Correct sentence. Please turn off the light.
And the opposite is not open the light. It is turn on the light.
Mistake number 36. I want to make a party.
Incorrect verb. We usually say have a party or throw a party.
Correct sentence. I want to have a party.
Part 8. Adjectives and comparisons.
Let's fix how you describe things.
Mistake number 37. I am boring. Be careful. If you say this, it means you are not an interesting person. You are putting people to sleep.
Correct sentence. I am bored.
Mistake number 38. This car is more better than that one.
Stop. Better is already the comparative of good. You never say more better.
Correct sentence. This car is better than that one.
Also, never say more better. Say worse.
Mistake number 39. He is the same like me. Incorrect preposition. We say the same as.
Correct sentence. He is the same as me.
Mistake number 40. I prefer tea than coffee.
This is a very specific rule. With the verb prefer, we use to, not than.
Correct sentence. I prefer tea to coffee.
But we say, I like tea more than coffee.
Mistake number 41. The most people like pizza.
Incorrect. When talking about the majority, we do not use the.
Correct sentence. Most people like pizza.
Part 9. Negatives and questions.
Let's look at how to say no and how to ask questions.
Mistake number 42. I don't know nothing.
This is a double negative. In English, this is wrong. If you use don't, you must use anything.
Correct sentence, I don't know anything.
Or, I know nothing, but never both.
Mistake number 43. Do you can swim?
No, can is a modal verb. It does not need do.
Correct sentence, can you swim?
Mistake number 44. How does it look like? This is a classic mistake. You have 2 choices. Use how, use what with like.
Correct sentence 1. How does it look?
Correct sentence 2. What does it look like?
Never mix them. Never say, how does it look like? Mistake number 45. You like pizza, isn't it?
This is a tag question error. You must match the verb. The verb is like, so the tag must use do.
Correct sentence. You like pizza, don't you?
If the sentence is, you are happy, then the tag is, aren't you?
Part 10. The final 5.
We are almost finished. Here are the last 5 difficult mistakes.
Mistake number 46. I am used to wake up early.
Incorrect. If you mean it is a habit, you say be used to plus ing. If you mean I did it in the past, you say used to plus verb.
Correct sentence. I am used to waking up early.
Correct sentence. I used to wake up early.
Mistake number 47. If it will rain, I will stay home.
No. In if sentences, we do not use will in the if part.
Correct sentence. If it rains, I will stay home.
Mistake number 48. I am knowing the answer.
No. Know is a stative verb. We rarely use it in the ing form.
Correct sentence, I know the answer. Also, I like, not I am liking. I believe, not I am believing.
Mistake number 49. Where is the children's?
2 mistakes here. Children is already plural, no S. Because it is plural, use are.
Correct sentence. Where are the children?
Mistake number 50. Thanks God. This is the final mistake. Many people say thanks God because they say thanks to people, but the phrase is slightly different.
Correct sentence. Thank God.
No S, just thank God.
Part 11. Conclusion.
Wow, we did it. We corrected 50 common English mistakes.
That was a lot of grammar rules. My brain is full.
James, do you feel like a better student now?
Yes, I promise I will not say, I have 30 years ever again.
I am glad to hear that.
Listeners, do not worry if you make these mistakes. Everyone does.
The important thing is to listen, practice, and correct yourself.
If you liked this video, please check the like button.
Wait, James, you made a mistake. You don't check the like button.
Oh no, what is the correct word?
You click the like button or hit the like button.
Okay, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for studying with us.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.